In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change account or sign out in Microsoft To Do. This walkthrough is for the Windows app and will help you switch to a different Microsoft account or remove one you no longer want connected. Start by opening Microsoft To Do on your Windows device. Once the app is open, look toward the top of the window for your profile area. Depending on your setup, you'll see either a profile picture or your name near the top bar. Click that area to open your account options. From there, choose Manage Accounts. This opens a panel inside the app that shows the accounts currently connected to Microsoft To Do on your device. It's the central place where you can add a new account or sign out of one you no longer want to use. If your goal is to switch to another account, select Add Account. You'll be prompted to sign in using the Microsoft account you want to use instead. Follow the sign-in screens and complete any verification requested. After you've added the new account, return to the Manage Accounts panel and select that new account to make it active. Your tasks, lists, and settings will now reflect the newly chosen account. So make sure it's the one you intend to use for your current work or personal tasks. If you want to sign out of an account, stay in the Manage Accounts panel. Select the account you want to remove, choose Sign Out, and confirm if prompted. This removes that account from Microsoft To Do on your device so you can keep your workspace clean or sign in with a different account later. Signing out here doesn't delete the Microsoft account itself. It simply disconnects it from the To Do app on this device. Here's a helpful tip. Sometimes you may only see the option to add an account and not an obvious way to sign out. If that happens, first add the second account you want to use. Once it's added and you've switched to it, go back into Manage Accounts. You should now be able to remove the old account and continue using the newly selected one without interruption. A quick reminder before we wrap up. The interface may look slightly different depending on your app version, but the flow is the same. Open To Do, go to your profile, use Manage Accounts, then add an account to switch or select. Sign out to remove one. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get set up with the right Microsoft account in Microsoft To Do.